Alright everyone, in today's video I want to show you how to format this Samsung, actually LG, right? I'm used to saying Samsung. This LG K22, okay? If you have a screen lock password you can't remove, if you have this kind of lock here too, or if your device is slow or has a virus, alright? This comprehensive procedure will effectively help you to completely remove the screen lock password, meticulously reset your phone to its original pristine factory settings, thoroughly get rid of various viruses, persistent slowness, and address some other common operational issues on your phone, okay? Remember, it's a good idea to remove your SIM card and memory card, because everything on your phone will be erased. Alright, so let's get started. We're gonna press here, let's turn it off. Wait for it to turn off. If you're not subscribed to our channel, I'd like to ask you to subscribe, okay? With the phone turned off, we're gonna press the volume up button and the power button until it enters recovery mode. Alright, so we can continue here with the unlocking process. Let's wait here. Keep holding. Let's wait a few more seconds here. Alright, once you get to this screen, hold down the power button and tap the volume up button, okay? Just like that. On this next screen, guys, we're going to go down to the 5th option where it says wipe data, factory reset, using the volume down button, alright? Go down with the volume down button. Oops, it froze here, look. And confirm with the power button, which is the on off button. On this next screen, go down to the 2nd option, confirm with the volume down button, or rather go down with the volume down button and confirm with the power button. This button here isn't working very well. Let's wait for it to get to this next screen so we can continue with the unlocking process. Confirm again with the power button. Here your device is already unlocking, formatting and restoring to the original factory settings. If you need to unlock the Google account on this device or any other model, we can do this unlocking remotely, okay? Our number will be in the video description. Just get in touch and talk directly to me, alright? That was today's video. Thanks, take care.